Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back. My name is Avrel and welcome to Home with a Naturalista. If this is your first time clicking on my video, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, why not go ahead and subscribe? Go ahead, girl, and click that notification bell on the side so you will be notified whenever a video is posted. If you have been here before, hey y'all, hey. So, as I said, my name is Avrel. Thank you so much for visiting my channel today. This is Home with a Naturalista channel with just a little bit of everything, majority of the things in the household, as well as thrifting. But in this video, I'm actually changing it up a little bit. We are going to actually cook dinner. And why not show you guys what I have in store? So on tonight's menu, my plan is to make some Jamaican stew chicken. I'm gonna do it the way that I've learned and the way that I actually like how it tastes. And then I'm also gonna make some Spanish rice that was taught to me by one of my good friends. So that's gonna be good, and I might throw some veggies in there since we have to be healthy and we're going to Aruba in April and I haven't gone to the gym yet. So yeah, but I'm so excited to make dinner tonight. Can you see it? Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Just wanted to change it up a little bit. As I said, Jamaican stew chicken, some Spanish rice, and some veggies on the side. Hope you enjoy. I hope you come back. Hope you like me enough to allow me into your home as well as you into mine. All right guys, so that is it for this video. I went ahead and made some Jamaican stewed chicken, some Spanish rice, the best I know how, and some corn salad with just some red onions in there, and you've seen it in the video. So I'm gonna end the video by tasting the food. These pots that I used was actually, they're actually Calphalon, and let me tell you something, they cook so well. My mouth is watering. Let's see. It's hot. Not spicy, but hot. So good. I'm gonna go ahead, finish having dinner. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to this point. I appreciate you so much. Again, my name is Avrel. This is Home with a Naturalista. I went ahead and just showed you guys a quick dinner that I do for the family once every 2 weeks or so, depending on the way I feel. We usually have tacos and things of that sort, but comment below if you want me to go ahead and do some more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. I appreciate you. Have a good night.